All right, so on my screen, you can still see my screen, right?
Yes, I can hear.
Okay, so right here, it has import contacts, export contacts, all this other stuff up here in the menu. You want to import contacts, right? So I
Okay.
import contacts right there. Okay,
Good.
so I'm going to bring in a document from here. You probably can't see that. Maybe you can see it now. So I just put a document in there. Can you see that?
Actually, no, yes, actually.
All right. All right. So you'll see all CSV files up to 50 what is that? Millibytes in size supported, yada, yada, blah, blah, blah. You'll click next. All right. And it probably won't do it because I already have this smart list, but this is how you do it. All right. So now you want to make sure that these are all checked green. If it's not checked green, that means you need to fix something over here. So if you notice, all of these coincide because they want to make sure when it transfers over, it coincides with what it has in the spreadsheet. So you want to give this a
phone number
value.